Jeanna Loves Christmas. Welcome to my Christmas party, AKA this is the channel for Christmasing. Today I'm gonna pretend it's my birthday because my friends at Farrisilk sent me 2 boxes filled with Christmas ribbon. I haven't seen it yet. I'm gonna open it with you. Subscribe, because then I'm gonna make something with it. You're definitely not gonna wanna miss that. I added bows. I know they're shipping boxes, but it doesn't matter. I am who I am, and they know who I am, which is why I added bows. I'm gonna unbox them for you. I haven't seen what's inside. I'm pretty excited. This is thrilling. It's a thrilling moment for me. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. I'm actually gonna open the ribbon. Is that obnoxious? It might be. That's fine. I'm fine with being obnoxious. This is gorgeous. This is the plush velvet. It is, I mean, this is really plush. If you ever thought like a stuffed bear, but in velvet form, this is it. And it's got gold lame on the other side. Elvis and I approve. What do we have? We have 3 rolls. That's 30 yards. That's enough. That's enough for a 7-foot Christmas tree. So we should make that together. What else? Oh. This ribbon is proof that Farrisilk loves us and wants us to be happy. I'm sure there's more goodies inside. Let's check it out. Okay, I definitely have enough to do a front door. Sorry, that I have to dance over. Oh, this is pretty. This is beautiful. What is this? It's platinum. It's got a little bit of a gold trim. I like that. A little mixed metal situation. I have to use my scissors to open these. Let's check it out. Oh, this has body and body and body. This is gonna make some gorgeous bows. Do you see that? When you're looking for ribbon, this is the kind of ribbon you're supposed to be looking for. This is dreamy. What's this? What's this? This is a red. Oh, this is gorge. This is they call it a super satin. Super satin. Oh, do you remember the fabric moire? Do you remember that? We wore it in like the 80s and we wore it in prom dresses and it had like that pattern. Can you see it? This is so good. This is so good. Oh my gosh. This is so good. This is like, I'm coming for ya. I'm coming. This is glitter magic. I live for this ribbon. In every single thing that I do, this is the red. It's backed with a satin. It's backed with satin because it holds its form. Look at this. I'm sorry, I cannot be the only one that gets this excited over ribbon. I know I'm not. That's why I opened the box with you. This is gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Sorry, I'm sorry. Let me start reorganizing my life. Let me start reorganizing my life now that I know what's in it. This is what I'm gonna do right here. I'm planning. Now I'm making a plan. I'm checking it twice. I'm gonna add this to it. I mean, that's premature. I haven't seen what else is in the box. More glitter. This is a pewter color, super fab. It's got the satin back. This is amazing. Oh, this would look so good on my black Christmas tree. Do you have a black Christmas tree? Do you? What else? This is crazy fun. I've seen some of this stuff online, but I hadn't seen it in person. This is like New Gen burlap, is what this is. This is like when you want farmhouse, but you want like the she farmhouse. This is what you're going for. I can't stress this enough. This is like when you're ribbon, but you're Spanx. I don't know if that analogy makes sense. It'll make sense to the ones that matter. Oh, I have a lot of it. Oh, I could do something really good with this. That's a lot. 3 yards. That's 60 yards. 60 yards is gonna go. That's gonna go a long way. Oh, this is special. This requires my scissors. Sorry, I just need a moment. Sometimes I require a moment with the ribbon. Let's check this out together. This is a tapestry woven, and the light shines through. You can see through it. This is the difference between ribbon and ribbon. You just can't compare this. You can't compare it to anything. You can't compare You can't compare it to anything. Let me tuck that right into the heart of my Christmas tree. Hi, I'm Jeanna Loves Christmas. I'm gonna teach you what to do with all this ribbon. The Christmas ribboning tutorial, well, that's coming super soon. It's obviously coming soon because now I have a ton of ribbon. Okay, they sent me a lot of this. We have 6 of them. We could literally, we could do doorways. We could get a good 9 foot, 7.5 foot tree going here. That's 100 to 120 yards of Farrisilk magic. That's what that is. Okay, box 1, done. 2 boxes. Farrisilk, you spoil me. You spoil me. Fun fact, most people, I'm told, do ribbon first. They choose their ribbon and they design their look around it. I choose ribbon last. What? It's true. I choose my ribbon last. I choose my tree first, always. Then I choose my ornaments, picks, sprays, etc. And then I choose my ribbon. Is that baffling? I mean, I have dyslexia, so maybe that's just one of the things about dyslexia, but I always choose my ribbon last. Hi, hello gorgeous. I have so many great vibes in these boxes. This is super fantastic. This is a silver. It's got a pleat to it. Pleat was one of, if you remember and you watched the trends video, pleat was one of the trends for this year. Farrisilk is always on trend. It's got a pleat. This is what, I mean, but still my ribboning loving heart. How old are you? How many colors am I holding up? How many colors I'm holding up to? Silver, champagne. When I can no longer tell the difference is when it's time to hang up my Christmasing hat. This is champagne, and this isn't ridiculous. Also ridiculous, let me show you. Do you see the difference? Can you see the difference? Of course you can. Oh, isn't that an unexpected little twist of fate? This is like a latte. This is like I love you a latte, Christmasers. This is so gorgeous. Again, silk backed, made in India. This is all made in India. This is imported. I already have a home for this. I have a little piece of it. This is a really great ribbon. I have a little bit left over from last year and I had a home for it and I was like, oh, I really need to stretch it. And now I don't, thank you. Gold glitter magic. You belong to me. You belong to me like a gold lame belongs to Elvis. This is the most special. What do they call this? They call it light blue. They call it light blue. What do I call it? Oh, I call it a little bit different. I call it a little bit of like a light cornflower blue. I'm gonna go next level with that with my old eyes. This is really spectacular. Oh, okay. This is the same ribbon I opened earlier. Color, it's platinum. I don't know what the design is, but this is a mesh. When ribboning, I always like to pair a solid with maybe a pattern. I think the mesh adds a texture unlike any other. And this is proof that I'm right. This is special. Okay. This is like I'm taking this with me. The red glitter magic. Oh, this is super fab. Colors are big. Are you doing a nutcracker theme? Are you just trying to bring it all together? Are you having your own, I have scissors, let me just use them. Are you having your own little parade in your Christmas tree? This is so spectacular. Look at this. Let's admire this together for a moment. This has all the colors. We have fuchsia, purple, blue, green, Christmas red, some hot pink, and a gold lame back. This is super fab, super fab. There's a flock tree over in the corner with this ribbon's name on it. This is called Mirror, 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 Mirror on the wall. Who's the Christmassiest one of them all? You, Jeanna, stop asking, it's awkward. I always ask. Fabulous, fabulous. We have it in a 2.5 as well. This pleat, because pleat was one of the trends this year. Farrisilk knew. They knew long before I did. Hi, I'm always down for some stripes, always. This is a platinum. This is a platinum, but I'm just gonna say it's got a little bit of a gold hue to it. There's glitter. We all need this. This is the chiffon with the glitter and the magic and a little bit of silk. I mean, look, it's a perfect combination. It's the trifecta. It's a hot trick. It is the three-peat. It's all of those things in one. This is everything I know about sports. Right there, I know way more about ribboning and Christmasing. Okay, I'm gonna pop this in the tree right now. This kind of texture is the texture we live for. I know I wasn't supposed to be doing this, but I have zero self-control, zero. Oh, hi, this is so great. This is so great. Jeanna, what are you doing for Christmas this year? I'm just putting stripes on everything. It's a stripe season. 'Tis the season to use stripes. Fa la 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 la. This is fantastic. Okay. Oh. How many people use white in their Christmas trees? Now, a wonderful idea when using white. White velvet's lovely. Everybody likes it. Oh, I don't have that one here anymore. We all know it's special. Oh, when you have glitter on everything makes it better. Everything. I don't care how you feel about glitter. Glitter makes everything better. I am so proud of our trends video. Thank you for watching it, I have to say. And I'm proud because as I open all of this up, well, it just feels like all of the things we talked about. We have that nostalgic moment. We have that rustic glam. I just created that, I didn't even plan it. It's rustic, but it's glam. It's so good, it's so good. Oh. Fuchsia. I don't care whether you have girls or you don't. I mean, this is for everybody. This is for everybody. I love this. This is gorgeous. Double-sided, of course. Look for that when you're buying ribbon. Oftentimes, this is not the ribbon you're gonna have quick access to, but plan ahead and find it. And I have two. I can make something really special with this. And that's it. Christmas is my cardio. Farrisilk, thank you so much for my ribbon. I'm gonna obviously write you a handwritten card because, well, I'm completely blown away by your generosity. Christmasers, we're gonna make something special with this. I'm going to literally make all of these things with trees, and I'm gonna make them for you. I'm gonna do quick ribboning. I'm gonna show you how to do it. And then this year, when it's time to ribbon your Christmas tree, you're not gonna feel like a loser. That's the deal I'm making with you right now. Thank you for Christmasing with me today.